Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. This is going to be another advent calendar unboxing, and this time it is Profusion's Cosmetics. And this is what it looks like. Gorgeous, gorgeous box. So inside here contains all makeup products and some makeup brushes as well. So you might be able to see there, I got this from Boots. It cost me £30. Up until about a week ago, I'd never even heard of this brand. Never knew it existed. But I've had a few of you private message me saying, Claire, please can you unbox the Profusion's advent calendar? And I've had quite a few. So obviously I had to go and have a look to see what it's all about. So yeah, I had a look online, had a look on YouTube. There's lots of videos and tutorials and things like that. So yeah, it's a cruelty-free brand and it's very similar to like Makeup Revolution. That's my feeling. Obviously I could be completely wrong. So all these products are going to be gifted. I'm going to be gifting them to my daughter. Because I'm going to be opening up every single door here, it will be a bit of a mess when I finish, so I'm going to pop everything inside maybe a glossy box or a Look Fantastic box, because they've got drawers and compartments and it just looks all nice. So I'm going to be doing that as an advent calendar for her, but obviously with different casing. So I thought that'd be quite nice actually. So I thought I'd open it up and show you, and then I can gift it to my daughter in December. So yeah, so I think that's it as far as information goes. I'll pop a link to it in the description if you're interested in taking a look. Just click on show more underneath this video and that'll bring a description and everything will be down there. So let's open it up and see what I got inside. I love the packaging. It is super cool, isn't it? So number one, I am spoiled because I've just unboxed a Look Fantastic and you've got drawers. Super easy. See, these things you have to really like pull them out and make sure you don't rip them, but never mind, never mind. So in door number one, we've got a pair of tweezers. This is what they look like. Not that she would use these actually, but I hope not anyway. Maybe I'll keep them. Oh, I don't know what to do now because I have to give her 25 things, don't I? And maybe I'll keep it and swap it for something else. But no, they feel quite nice actually. They've got quite a narrow end, which means you can get right in there for little short ones. So there we go, that's number one. And I like that it follows as well. It's easy to see. So number two is at the top here. And I'm starting to wreck it already. Oh, look, I'll get them out. So number two, we've got a clear eyebrow gel. Oh, see, I like eyebrow gels. I like eyebrow gels. What is this like? Tell me down below. If you've ever tried a Profusion's clear eyebrow gel, tell me what it's like. I love my eyebrow gels to be really rock hard. Like super hold hairspray on my eyebrows. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea. I know a lot of you don't like it, but I like it because I've got really short eyebrows and I like to like brush them up, and the only way they can stay brushed up is if I've got a super hold like mascara like this, or I've got a few little eyebrow products that I use. My daughter uses eyebrow gel as well, so but she's got gorgeous eyebrows, so she doesn't need the super holding gel like what I do. So please, if you've tried this, let me know what it's like. So if it's really strong hold, I'll keep it and then I'll swap it for something else, but if not, I'll put it in the advent calendar for her. So yeah, so we've got a clear eye gel. So number three down here, got a double-ended pencil. Oh, it's a brow pencil. It's a dual brow pencil. And have we got two different colours there? Let me have a look. The ring light is right reflecting off it. Yeah, we do. It's like you've got a chocolate brown and you've got like a taupe type of brown as well. So if I just show you that there. The darker one is a little bit too dark for me, but I like the idea of a two-ended pencil because it creates definition on your eyebrows. I think having different colours creates an illusion of like different textures and fullness and thickness, and it looks quite natural as well. So but yeah, so I'll be definitely giving that to her because it's a little bit too dark for me. So we've got a dual-ended eyebrow pencil. Number four is down here, and we have got a long-lasting liquid eyeliner in Onyx. I'm getting quite like, I want them, but I have just ordered myself a NYX advent calendar and that's all makeup, so I've got to keep that in my mind. This is for my daughter. This is for my daughter. But I love liquid eyeliners and I've got a ton of them. I have got a ton of them, but they don't last that long. This one's a nice one as well. Oh, it's really nice. My little pattern on my hand there. Oh, that is really nice pen. I might see how much that is individually to buy because I quite like that myself. But I know she will as well. So day number 4, we got a liquid eyeliner. Look at this mess. Look at this mess. Number 5. And we've got a waterproof eyeliner pencil, and this is, I'm sure it's in black. We'll have a look now. That's the outer packaging. Outer packaging. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. So that's what it looks like there. Let's try it on my hand. So yeah, so we've got a liquid eyeliner and we've got a pencil eyeliner as well. So that's for day number 5. Day number 6, a little one here. Oh, it's really pretty. Oh, it's really pretty. What is this? I didn't realise, but they have got a little bit of information about each product on the back here. So it says about this is a sparkle pigment, bronze pigment that will add a touch of dazzle to any look. Can you see a little bit maybe? It's only subtle. I've only just put a tiny bit on there. If you were to like dampen a brush down or something, then you might be able to get more of an intense pigment. But no, that's lovely. So that's number 6. Number 7, we're looking a biggish one down here. And we've got a blush and highlight duo. So this like there. She won't mind. She'll understand. Seen fingerprints, fine. Right, the gold. Oh, wow. Whoa, wow, wow. So what is this? A highlight and blush, is it? That blush is, whoa. Look at that blush, it's quite pinky. But I've literally pressed quite hard on my hand there, so you might be able to get more of a subtle look if you were to apply it on your face with a brush. But look at that highlight. That is gorgeous. I would use that as an eyeshadow though. It's a bit too like sparkly for a highlight for me. The colour's too intense for me personally, but as an eyeshadow that is stunning. And the pink, actually, they're both lovely. So yeah, so that is day number 7. Day number 8 down the bottom here. And we have got a highlight and bronzing duo. So a little bit different there. That is definitely the sort of highlight I go for, and that is the shade of bronzer. Oh my gosh. Let me know as well if this is any good. Let me know if you've tried this. Let me know if you thought it was really amazing. That highlight is a bit whoo, but again, can you see there? No, that highlighter isn't for me personally, but it would make an amazing eyeshadow. Really, really beautiful. But that bronzer is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. The sort of tone I'd go for as well. So that's day number 8. We've got number 9 down here. We've got a gorgeous makeup brush. Hasn't got a number or anything on it, but I do really like the nib. That is lovely. The style is gorgeous. It's sleek. It's silver. But that's the actual brush there. Can you see? It's just really nice and soft and fluffy. On the back of the advent calendar, it's from their Pro series, and it's a blending brush. Number 10 down here, and we've got an eyeshadow palette. Those are stunning colours. Stunning, stunning. It reminds me of Urban Decay's palettes, the Naked Heat. They are stunning, 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 aren't they? Beautiful. Whoa! Oh my word! Oh my word, look! Look at that! Look at that colour. That is absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, that is stunning. It's that one. That one there. That is beautiful. I love that. So that's day number 10. Day number 11 is here. And we got another makeup brush. Exactly same as the other one. But this one's for blending. I forgot to say that the first one was for shading. And it's from their Pro series. So no, really, really lovely. Down here, number 12. We have got a gold pigment. That's what it's like there. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty. That is really pretty. You could just see a little bit there. Yeah, no, that's gorgeous. So that's day number 12. Now we're over to this side. So 13 at the top here. We've got a nude velvety matte lip cream. And that's what it looks like there. A little bit on my hand there. Oh, that is like the perfect nude. That is really, really nice. Oh my gosh. This is quite a nice calendar, isn't it? Quite a nice calendar. Oh, I like that. Definitely a few things for my daughter, but quite a few things that I like myself as well. So number 14 here, we've got a sparkling lip topper. So that's that. There, I'm not sure how much you'll be able to see. Can you see there? That's really pretty, isn't it? Be lovely and top those two together. That'll be lovely. Number 15 over here. We got another matte lip cream, and this time it's in shade Mauve. There it is. So there's that. It feels nice. As far as applying it on my hand goes, that is. It does feel like a nice lipstick. So there's that. 16. And it looks a similar sort of shape. We got a sparkling lip topper in rose gold. Put it by the side, and I'll put a little bit on the lipstick that I just showed you, the mauve one. There. It's just the two outer corners one. There it is, and there it is on top. That's lovely. So there's that. Moving along, got number 17 here. So we've got a matte lip cream in Dusty Rose. See more there. Bit of a darker version of the other one, of the mauve. There's that. It's pretty. So there's that. And number 18 is here. Got a sparkling lip topper in Dusty Rose. Down there and on top there. You can see the difference between applying it and not. Oh, my hand, super shiny. She will love these. She'll love these lip toppers. So there's that. 19 is right down here. And we've got a highlighting brush. I'm loving these brush designs. They are so, so lovely. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I'd even use that as a blusher. As a blusher brush. I think that would be quite nice. Just to blush in there. But yeah, it's a highlighter brush. I think that's really, really lovely. And really nice to have a few brushes in with the makeup, so it's a proper set, isn't it? So you can actually get to using it all straight away. So there's that. There's 5 more to go. Number 20 is here. And we've got a palette. No, we haven't. We've got a, well, it is a palette, but it's for your brows. So this is, we've got a brow primer, a brow light, and a taupe shade, and a soft brown. And there's a brush in there as well. I'll just open it up just to give you a proper look. So that's the little brush that comes with it. And that's what it looks like there. You've got the primer, and then you've got the highlighter, and then you've got the different brow shades there. So yeah, so you've got a little brow palette there. So that's day number 20. 21 down here. We've got more brushes, and this is gorgeous. It's a powder brush. Really, really lovely. Look at that. Super, super soft. Really gorgeous brush. Oh, I love it. She's gonna love it. So there's that. 22 over here. We got a Sparkle Pigment, and this is in rose gold. Can you see there? It's quite hard to see. I'll just open it up and show you on my hand. It's almost got like a grey shift to it, like a dark. It's no rose gold there at all. I was thinking when I pulled it out, it looks more khaki. Look at that on my hand there. It's got more like a green shift to it. Like a khaki green and grey and gold. Can you see? But that's what it says. That's what it says. So there's that. 23 down here. Wow. We got another eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh, and these are gorgeous too. Oh my word. Please let me know what the eyeshadow palettes are like. If you've tried any of the Profusion eyeshadows, please let me know. But they are gorgeous. Look at those shades. They're really pigmented. They are gorgeous. So now, so we've got another eyeshadow palette. So there's that. So number 24 is in the corner here. It's a sparkly eye topper. This is in gold. Oh, I love these. Absolutely love these. Can you see there? That is stunning. That is so, so pretty. Would make an amazing like spotlight eye or a cut crease or something. Oh yeah, no, that is gorgeous. So that's number 24. And then lastly, look at the state of this calendar. There we go. Number 25 is something white. Oh, it's an eyeshadow primer. It's an eyeshadow primer. So it looks like there. You can't see much there. Can you? I'm not too sure. I prefer eyeshadow primers to be like a concealer. Like, so that, you know, not as thick as a concealer, but, you know, they're quite pale. So it goes on and gives me like an even sort of base. But maybe it doesn't create like an amazing base for eyeshadow, but it keeps your eyeshadow on. Who knows? I don't know. I've never tried it before. But no, so that is number 25. So those are all the products. I can show you up close exactly what is in this advent calendar. So here's your recap. So we've got a few lip toppers, we've got a few lipsticks, we've got 2 eyeshadow palettes, we've got contour, we've got highlight, we've got blush, we've got eye pencils, liquid eyeliner, we've got coloured pigments, glitter pigments, tweezers, eyeshadow primer. What else have we got there? Eyeshadow topper. I think it's lovely. I think it's a really, really lovely set. So thank you to all of you that messaged me asking me to unbox this unboxing. I'm going to be keeping some of these products for myself, and then the rest I'm going to be giving to my daughter and creating an advent calendar for her. But I'm really interested in knowing your thoughts on Profusion Cosmetics, so please let me know down below. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. I've got a NYX and a Look Fantastic and a next advent calendar coming soon. So take care. Bye.